Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Microsoft Edge is, of course, bringing some people to go a little crazy and leave the browser alone. When Edge was introduced back in 2019, I believe, one of the things that a lot of people found cool is it was a fast, snappy browser. Chromium base for compatibility was great, but it was not Google, it was somebody else. And there was a sense that this could be a winner, a good browser that people would adopt, until Microsoft started adding tons and tons and tons of things that people don't want, and crap it out with all sorts of features, including the famous Bing chat or the Copilot, and so on, shopping. And recently, a lot of users have been saying that it's annoying at popping up. Oh, by the way, maybe you want to have the Bing page or the Bing whatever, Bing search, Bing shopping, Bing. It's driving everybody Bing. And basically, one of the interesting things that happened is that Edge team has a X account. And somebody there posted that there was a Bing change that was proposed, and that the pop-up didn't really have any clear "I don't want this, go away." And the user, of course, mentioned that and ranted a little bit on the X account to somebody coming back from Microsoft and the Edge team and saying, well, no, it's there, and kind of in a very quirky way of just saying, well, just look, it's there. And it actually created a wave of people complaining and saying how crappy Edge is becoming and how they've abandoned it. So, this is just a great example of how users and Microsoft, whatever team of whatever software, is it Windows, is it Edge, or so on, and even Office, are complaining and just in another world. The user is not in the same place as Microsoft is when it comes to doing these things. So I think Edge is going in such a wrong direction right now that people are just going to want to hate it more, a little bit like Internet Explorer in the end. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.